Hello and welcome to another short K2 base video. My name is Kyron and here I'll be discussing some of the features of our sidebar during the K2 base planning process. Moving into base, I'm working in the design phase and I've already drawn my roof using the satellite mode with the picture on. This is ideal if I have an existing roof that I'd like to draw over or obstacles that I know exactly where they are. If, however, this is a new build, I may not have this information and it may be easier to draw with the background picture off. Notice I'm still with the north orientation and in the bird's eye view mode. Alternatively, I can work in a 2D mode, and this looks at it perpendicular to the roof instead of from this bird's eye view. Here I can look in a little bit more detail. For example, I can put the roof construction on. This will be where the rails are connected to and effectively what connects the modules to the roof. I'm also able to toggle my modules on and off, and additionally deleted modules. Here we have some removed due to the obstruction that has been drawn, and I can choose to show them as I am now, or we can turn them off here. Further features include the distance from the edge of the roof to the module field. Note, this is not to the module itself, but to the module field. So before we edit it, it's a good idea to press this button here and fit the array to the actual module size. From here, we can edit this. For example, if we know we have to be a certain distance from the roof, set this to 4 meters, and it will move the whole module field across. We can also edit the values using this tool here, and this will change the number of modules in either the row or the column. Notice it will only show the modules that will fit on the roof. We are also able to use this to reduce the number of modules and determine which side we would like them to be removed from. Notice which way the modules are being removed when I click the button here. Further features include an angle. This is not overly relevant in this example as we have a rectangular roof with rectangular modules. However, if we had a polygon roof or an obstruction here that was a polygon, we could use this feature to determine a specific angle of the shape we were drawing. Finally, if we find ourselves somewhat away from our roof, we can use this button here to snap back to the middle, and then we will have the roof center right there. That's all we have time for now. Hope to see you again soon. Thanks.